What's up, y'all? Truckers Life, and we back with another episode of Truck Cooking with Truckers Life. We got, who are you?
Truckersdaughter.
We got her here. She in the truck with Daddy. She's playing with her food.
It's some real food.
She's making the rice cracker mix into like little miniature hot hamburgers and chicken tenders and stuff. Doing what kids do. Doing what kids do, but we got to get back to this. Today, we're truck cooking with Truckers Life and Truckersdaughter. Yeah, we just I gotta peel these shrimp. Got these beautiful shrimp.
Beautiful, but I don't want to live because I'm eating my food.
Okay. She likes to be the center of attention.
Hey.
Just true. Plate. But hey, I'll be back when I get done peeling these. We back. Grab my chopping board from Jobu, of course, Cowboy Jobu, Mark Holmes. Thank you again, sir. Grab my butter. Oh, first we're gonna do the shrimp. My skillet. As soon as she hears this thing start, as soon as she hears me start recording, I said pause it. But as soon as she hears me recording, she's got to say something so y'all know she here. They know you're here, baby. Okay, grab some butter. We'll do a full stick. I got the blend by Kinder's. It's salt, pepper, and garlic. Put that right on there. Garlic salt. Lemon pepper. Well, it's cracked pepper and sorry. Not as much, just give it a little citrus zang. Just a little zang. And some onion powder. Great value. Walmart, you know.
This starts going good.
And then just mix it in. Just mix it and mix it and mix it. Let that butter melt.
That smells good.
Yes, it does, huh?
It already does.
And then we got the shrimp.
The shrimp looks so good.
Told y'all she gotta say something, huh? That's my baby.
Now you see salt.
Yeah, I need to get some more. I have some more in my truck, but I
Left it.
yeah. I didn't tell you guys, but my truck is in the shop. That's why I'm in a loaner and don't have my shelves or my tables. I mean, and then I'm about to get the rice started. No. No cheese right now. Grab a bottle of water right here. We're gonna make some rice. Yeah, we're gonna make some regular rice, you guys. Some regular schmegular rice to go with the shrimp. Oh, I forgot to put the parsley on in the butter. Clear this stuff out so I can get this chopping board flat. There we go. Got it flat. I'm gonna put the lid on it so we keep that steam in. We got a water. Shit. I don't remember where I put my knives.
The dry one was right by where I was
My knives were?
I mean, like,
Alright, we're doing the rice now, y'all. Put a little bit of salt and pepper with the garlic in it.
oh, I got
A little bit of onion powder. That's done. And then, of course, some butter. Not too much because you don't want to overpower the rice. But as y'all know, we are using jasmine rice. It's the kind of rice I like.
I'm smelling something good. Oh, found it.
Mix that up. Put it up here. Yeah, I know how I do my rice. Use a water bottle, cut it in half, and that's the rice. She don't know nothing about it.
Yeah,
But she will eventually.
got it.
We have some butter for the rice.
Dad, I got the funny bow. Got it. Got the funny bow. What's this?
There we go, y'all.
Now I'm doing this.
Okay, baby. I'm recording right now. We'll play that when I get done, okay?
I got the hardest one. This is the hardest one. So I'm gonna put this one down. Wait.
Alright, y'all. We'll be back. I'm about to play this operation with my baby. Alright, y'all. We back. And we about to finish this dish. I already put the rice in the water. I put the shrimp in the butter. Let it soak up that flavor. And then, of course, we're going to put some more seasoning on top. This is the... What kind of shrimp is this? Oh, the Gulf shrimp. That's what it is. The Texas Gulf shrimp. You know, that stuff's smack. This. I'm putting the same seasoning if you watched it earlier. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the content, y'all. Janai's out there chasing chickens. Yeah, you heard me right. My baby's out there chasing chickens. And then we'll just cover it. Actually, you know what? I gotta mix it around. Mix it around a little bit. I have to let the butter cool off before I put the shrimp in, so it don't cook it while it's soaking, while it's kind of marinating. I gotta put the parsley. I forgot to put the parsley. But where did I put the parsley? There it is. There we go. I know y'all can't really see, but this is what it is right now. Just mixing it around. Let that soak. Looking nice and scrumptious. Let that soak. Or marinate, whatever you want to call it. Once the rice is done, then I'll turn that on, and that way they kind of get done at the same time. Here comes Trucker's daughter. Here she comes. What are you doing, Pooterbutt? Where'd you get that at?
Found it. It was in the bag. Right by the back where we put all our stuff.
Oh, okay.
I found it.
Well, too late now.
Okay, good man. You don't need it?
I'll take one and then I'll give the rest back.
Put it
Oh.
on.
Alright, y'all, we back, baby. And we about to plate this up. My baby's hungry, so we gotta feed my baby. We got the rice. Now we gotta get the shrimp. Put this over there, baby. Let me put this right here. Nope, nope. Now the shrimp.
That looks good.
All made in the truck.
I might have chicken later. Or
You
tomorrow.
will. Daddy's got to leave in a couple hours anyway.
When mom comes,
Yeah.
I think since he said by 3.
I think so.
Maybe. What's the time?
Grab the spoon. She's sitting there looking like, whoa. And you guys, this is our finished product. You want Parmesan on it?
I'll check on the room.
Or you want to try it without Parmesan and then try it with Parmesan?
Yeah, I'll check. I'll try without Parmesan first.
There you go. Let's see her reaction, you guys. Come on, Trucker's daughter. Is it good? How good is that?
Really good.
And do you usually like shrimp? This is her first time. No, you've had shrimp before that you liked, just not a lot. But hey, let me see. Let me see that smile. Liking that, baby. You want to try it with Parmesan?
I know where the Parmesan is.
Huh?
I know where the Parmesan is.
Hey, y'all. We're back. Parmesan's right here.
Oh.
This is good Parmesan.
I know.
There you go.
You look like that guy's.
Huh?
I said, you look like that guy sprinkled stuff on his food.
Oh.
I'll try with all of it. And then chocolate.
Yep, she's trying it with the Parmesan now, y'all. That just made it better, huh? All right, y'all.
That's good.
Hey, it's Trucker's Life. And guess what? We out, y'all. Deuces.